Hello, this is Gary from Keyman for You Farm. As you can see, I have created some space. The neighbor's supposed to be bringing his tractor over and replacing my center lights. Before we can do that, you need to take this down. He bought it from the previous owner, and he's now taking it back so he can get it out of here. And that one over there is the other half, but it's buried. I had to move stuff out of the way, so we'll have to get to it later probably. But this is in the way. And then the other issue, while I'm waiting on him to show up, is I have discovered the grass has grown a long ways over the blacktop. So I'm going to make my time useful and cut the grass back so I don't have to use up weed eater line, so called the shovel, and pushing it back and throwing the dirt out. All right, this is my project for the day. This is Saturday, I think the 10th or 11th. I'm not sure what day of the week this is. Look at my watch. Can't even get my watch to work. Anyways, it's Saturday. Anyways, I'm not going to worry about it. You have a great day. Hit the red button to keep track and follow along. Hit the blue button, blue thumbs up, to like it. Appreciate it. You all have a great day, and chat next time.